Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Take off the engine cover. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Release the two latches. Lift the cover of the flange, then remove the filter. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. You can now put the new filter in place. Ensure that the rubber washer goes into the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. Put the flange back on, then lock it in place with the two latches. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.